As summer is here on a full swing, we need to take care of our skin so that it doesn't feel dry or dehydrated. And post COVID-19, there are a lot of people who are just afraid of stepping out and visit their salons to take their monthly facials, and also that costs a lot of time and tons of money. And in summer our skin tends to get dry and dehydrated, and because of the heat and sun exposure our skin tends to get really dull, and also there is a lot of sun damage because of the sun exposure. And it's really important to take care of our skin in summer so that it doesn't feel that way and it feels fresh and hydrated and healthy and radiant. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to talk about how you should take care of your skin in summer. And as summer is here on a full swing, we need to take care of our skin. So in today's video I am going to talk about the CHERYL'S Cosmeceuticals 3-step skincare routine for summer. So the step 1 is their Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial Kit, and it comes with 7 steps and you have to do it in every 21 days. And this one is perfect for you if you have dull and dehydrated skin. And then the step 2 is their O2C2 Radiance Lotion. Now this one is not suitable for sensitive and acne prone skin, but I have sensitive, oily and acne prone skin and I have used it on my skin today. Now this one is suitable if you have dry to combination to normal skin and you are supposed to use it twice a day. And then the last and the final step is their sunscreen spray, and this is their DermaShade broad spectrum UVA and UVB with SPF 30, and this one is a sunscreen spray, and this is suitable for all skin type. No matter if you have oily, sensitive or acne prone skin, this is going to suit you. So this is how my skin looks like. My skin looks a little bit dull and dehydrated. Also I have a little bit of redness going on because my skin is a little bit irritated as well. So the first product that I have is the Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial Kit, and this one is a 7-step monthly skincare routine. And as we age, the oxygen level in our skin tends to decrease, and resulting that our skin faces loss of elasticity and the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. And this one has a lot of active ingredients that helps to restructure your skin and also makes it healthy and radiant. Now this has antioxidants that prevents your skin from damaging. It's enriched with fruit enzymes that exfoliates your skin and reveals the fresh new layer of your skin. And it also has vitamin E, aloe vera extracts that energizes and hydrates your skin and gives a radiant glow. Now step 1 is a cleansing gel that has active ingredients like lemon fruit extracts. Then step 2 is a deep peel that helps exfoliating your dead skin cells and it rejuvenates your skin. You are supposed to use it all over your face and neck, then massage for 2-3 minutes and then wipe off with a damp cotton. Then step 3 is a lotion that you are supposed to use all over your skin with the help of a cotton pad, and this has zinc, PCA and cucumber extracts, and this revives your skin, deals with the dullness and makes it look fresh. Then coming to the step 4, which is a rejuvenating serum, and it has actives that soothe and moisturize your skin and helps in skin foaming. And all you have to do is apply it all over your face and neck and massage gently for 4 to 5 minutes. Once that is done, I'm moving on to the next step, which is their deep penetrating mask, and this has active ingredients like vitamin E, and you are supposed to apply it all over your face and neck, then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and once done, then wipe off with a damp cotton. And this particular mask makes your skin look even toned, as well as it gives nourishment to your skin. Step 6 is an energizing cream that has arbutin in it, and this one is supposed to nourish your skin and makes it look radiant. So apply it all over your face and neck, then gently massage into the skin with light upward strokes, and also you can use your jade roller if you have any. The last step is a Radiance mask, and this one is supposed to tighten your skin and also give you a glowy and radiant looking skin. So you are supposed to apply it all over your face and neck, avoiding the eye areas, then leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes, then wipe off with a damp cotton cloth. And this one is a very easy and quick skincare routine if you are interested in doing facial at home, and you are supposed to use it in every 21 days. Please do not use it every single day. So if you are someone who is looking for a good monthly facial kit, then definitely give this one a shot. Okay, once that is done, let's move on to the step 2 of our skincare routine, which is their O2C2 Radiance Lotion, and this one is formulated to enhance the natural radiance of your skin, and this is very hydrating on the skin, and it also helps in enhancing the collagen production, and it also smoothens out and evens out your skin. And also if you have dark spots or patchiness or blotchiness because of sun damage, it also helps in dealing with that. So this is how my skin looks like after applying the lotion, and as you guys can see, it gives a very nice radiant glow to my skin, and my skin looks very nice and dewy. Then moving on to the last and final step of our skincare routine, which is a sunscreen. And you guys know that including a good SPF in our skincare routine is so important. This has SPF of 30, and it also protects you from UVA and UVB rays, and it has a non-sticky, non-oily, lightweight formula, and it comes with a unique spray format, and it has also vitamin C and niacinamide in it. And the best part is it's suitable for all skin type, and it doesn't give you a white cast. So yeah, that's a very quick and easy everyday skincare routine for summer. I will leave the product links and details, everything in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified. And definitely let me know in the comment section below you find this video helpful or not. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.